Hello everyone, this is Vance. I'm back. This is Vance from Shenzhen Refined Color Technology Limited. I'm back. Now I'm going to show you our printer automatically height adjust system. So if you press this up button, now it will keep going up. But when it gets the standard height, it just stopped. So now you can see the distance of print head and the t-shirt is about 2 or 3 millimeters. And this distance can print the best quality of t-shirts. Hello everyone, this is Vance from Shenzhen Refined Color Technology Limited. And this is our A2 size t-shirt printer. And we have some promotion discount in the Super September, which you can get $200 and an actual print head. So now what are we gonna get if you buy the printer from us? You will get one set ink. We use the 5 colors ink. The ink color is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So you can see this bottle of ink. The volume of this bottle is 500 milliliters. We totally get 5 colors. And these are accessories. This is a Epson XP600 print head, which you can get actual free print head if you place order in September. This is a printing software which will come with the printer. You just need to install this program in your computer or laptop. USB cable, which is to connect the printer and your laptop. Here is the power line. Another gift for this printer is the sunglasses, also the injector. Now it's the right time to place order for this printer because you will get the free actual Epson XP600 print head and the free sunglasses. And also this one set ink, which is 500 milliliters per color.